In this lesson, we're going to cover another core concept here at Ride University, revolving around our radius being tied to our speed. Now, you've already heard the term speed equals radius. We're going to use that a lot more. And what it means, really, we're going to drill down on this, is that when we're going through a corner and we have a given lean angle, bar inputs, body position, everything remaining the same, and we have a change to our speed, that is going to affect an equal change to our radius. Now, if that change is an increase in speed, we're going to see an increase in the radius. Our radius is going to open up. If we see a decrease in speed, our radius is going to tighten for us. Now, if you look at this diagram, you see this illustrated very clearly. We have a spiral that indicates the radius, the path traveled by our vehicle. This could be a two-wheeled vehicle or a four-wheeled vehicle. The same concept applies. And whether you're starting from the inside of the spiral or the outside, and you're traveling around in this infinite circle and you start to decrease your speed, that radius is going to tighten for you. Now likewise, if you're in the center of the circle there and you start to accelerate and make the spiraling radius outwards as you increase your speed, you're going to see that radius continue to grow and grow as you increase speed. What this means for us on the racetrack is that speed and the control of that speed is going to play a huge role in where we're headed as far as our line choice. So if we're in control, if we're either in the throttle or using the brake, we've got complete control over where our motorcycle is going to go. If we're coasting, however, we're out of control. Making sure we're always using one of our controls, either brake or throttle, is going to make sure we're in control. What this means for us on the racetrack is that when it comes to picking out our line choice, when it comes to where we're headed, being in control of our speed means we're in control of our line. And that's a huge deal. So always remember, if you're not in one of your controls, either the brake or throttle, you're out of control. That's a big deal for us. So just remember that. We're going to talk a lot more about speed equals radius and how we can put that to work for us here in some later lessons.